Now look at this option also. 7th August. Like I said, date is not something which we study in detail when it comes to UPSC. Had it been a Group C or Group D exam, avag date oddtidvi. 7th August is declared as National Handloom Day. It's possible. Suppose if we did not know the date, then how is that we could have solved? Let us see. It was in 1905. 1905 correct. Swadeshi movement launch madidru on the same day. See, 1905 ಗೆ ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. This is what we are sure of. ಇದೇ ಡೇ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಾ? Look at this. See, so many times I have told you, whenever see if statement 1 and statement 2 type of questions ಬಂದಾಗ, see if both are reinforcing each other. Both are reinforcing each other ಅಂದ್ರೆ both should be correct or both should be wrong. It does make sense that 7th August is declared as National Handloom Day because 7th August day ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ was been launched. It does make sense. This is one possibility. So the chances that B is correct is very, very wrong. Or date wrong kottirbodu. That is also another possibility. So B antu definitely wrong agate because it doesn't make any sense. So answer had to be A, C or D. And if you had seen the trick that if two statements are going in the same direction, there is good probability that both are reinforcing each other and both are correct. E sense al hogidre we would have easily gone for option A. Given that we do not know the date of Indian National Handloom Day. National Handloom Day date ena gottira, obviously we know statement 1 cannot be incorrect. Aವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಬರೀ A ಮತ್ತೆ C ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಡೇಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. And if you know that A and B reinforce each other, then it was better or safer strategy to go for A. So ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್, ಇದೇ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎರಡು ಸತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ for both the questions you apply the same logic. I'll give you another example where if you had applied the same logic you would have got that as wrong but this as correct. But still one correct one wrong andre 1.33 plus marks aitu. Same question Indian national flag ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. I think it was one statement said that the height is to the breadth is to length, something like that. It should be in the ratio of 3:2. And another thing said that it is of some 6 centimeter to 5 centimeter, something like 6:5. Okay, 6:4 ratio, something like that. So if you see, both the statements were reinforcing each other in that case also. So I took that also as A option and this question also as A option. But I got this correct and that as wrong. UPSC again martide since 2023 it is trying to analyze the way you make guesswork. Aspirants ಇದೇ ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಹೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಗೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಗೆಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ rather than getting -1.2 by getting wrong in both these questions. So like I said, 2015 Government of India decided to designate 7th of August as the National Handloom Day because it was on this day that the Swadeshi movement, which wanted to encourage the indigenous industries, was being launched. So this was been done to revive the handloom industry.